have hit the snow. This is turning into like a full-blown blizzard at this point. It's like something exploded. So cold out here.
We're Jillian and Jonas, and after living aboard our 30-foot sailboat for over a year, we've decided to hit the road and travel across the country in our newly built van. Like and subscribe to follow along as we drive from coast to coast.
Look at this snow. Completely frozen. We have hit the snow, finally. It's pretty wild. I don't know if we're just really high up right now or if this is just what it's gonna be like from now on, but yeah, it's pretty wild to see the snow. It's kind of exciting. I've always loved that first snowfall of the year, where it hasn't quite like covered everything yet, but it's like covering the trees, and yeah, it's quite beautiful. Turning into like a full-blown blizzard at this point.
A blizzard. Aye, it's a blizzard.
It's an early season blizzard. But yeah, we were really expecting it. Like, we've been checking the weather, and it did not say that there was supposed to be snow, but we're not. I'm also not surprised though, because it's Canada. And we get snow here. We get a lot of snow here. Okay, now we've actually hit a full-on blizzard. This is crazy. And they don't have the plows out yet. Just cause, I guess. Not ready for that winter snow. Pretty wild. I think we're heading back at a good time. If we would have pushed it any later, yeah, I think there would have been a lot more of this kind of stuff. we super lucked out with the weather that we've been having, but Yeah, this is telling us that it's definitely time to be going. And just as quick as it started snowing, it has stopped snowing and cleared right off. I don't know if we're like going over the mountains or something and like changing elevation, but that was like, we went, in a matter of like 2 minutes, we went from whiteout snow conditions, like we couldn't see anything in front of us and the roads were just completely snowed over, to the roads are now wet, but like I can see forever. It's wild.
Yeah, it's just like a snow shower.
Snow shower.
Well, it was just we were just going through that.
Yeah, weird. Well, at least it didn't last. And the snow is back.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep.
What the heck is that thing?
Oh wow, it's like something exploded.
What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket.
So we're trying to figure out where we want to camp for the night, and we're just walking down this, it's starting to look like a road. We thought it might just be a pullout. It's looking promising though. What do you think?
Definitely a good option.
Yeah. I don't think this road is used all that often.
Yeah, I kind of want to see where it goes down there.
Yeah.
Why didn't I wear clothes?
Yeah, that is a good question. It's like -10 right now. Wow, we found the lake. That's where the road goes.
Hey there!
Well, it's a pretty sweet spot. We didn't think it'd lead to a lake. I don't think we'd actually bring the van this far down since it is winter and I think we might get some snow or rain tonight. Yeah, we don't want to take it like too far in so we don't get stuck, but it's definitely an option. I think we're gonna keep looking for now. It's freezing. Like, it's so cold out here. There's a fox right there. Oh, he's beautiful. Or is she?
All foxes are girls.
Oh my goodness. Wow, gorgeous. Hi, buddy. Oh, look how fluffy. That's a healthy looking fox.
That is a healthy looking fox. Look at the tail.
Maybe this is its den or something.
Ooh, he's walking away.
Hi. Hello. Oh, he's a little baby.
Bonjour.
Well, who would have thought we'd have the whole Ontario, how would you call that?
Fauna.
All the Ontario fauna are coming out. It makes sense. It's about it's almost sunset. Not many people on this road. I'd be out.
Eating grass.
Eating grass. We got to fatten up before the winter. I don't think deer fatten up before the winter, but we got to prepare for the winter.
Like they would.
Yeah? Okay. Nice. do you think?
This is the spot.
Nice, I agree. Well, we've chosen this spot for the night. We decided not to go with that grassy area just because it did kind of look like a road and we didn't know what the deal was with it. So this place is easier to get out of. We have an early morning tomorrow as well, so this place will be just perfect, I think. What are you doing?
What? I'm just backing up the van because we're on a bit of a very slight incline right now. You're not using warm water.
No, I decided not to boil any because it just would take too long.
Oh, dear.
It is a bit chilly. We've been putting off dishes for a few days, so figured I'd catch up now. We're thinking it'll be sort of a veggies and hummus and cheese and crackers kind of night for dinner. Yeah, either that or pasta, but we'll see how we feel in a few hours. Right now we're just kind of feeling like it's time to get in the van, warm up a little bit. There we go, much better. What else are we eating? Just this? Hey! Don't laugh. How many carrots do you want?
That'll do.
And then our single slice of Swiss cheese to top it all off. Charcuterie. That's just what we got right now, but we had a big lunch, so I think it'll be fine. Here you go, sir. Hummus. Whoa.
Left by kidnappers. Here's something to keep in mind.
Well, we had a super chill night here, and we've kind of been hanging out in the van all evening because it is cold out. We were gonna get some work done, but we ended up just listening to some podcasts because Sometimes you just need a chill night.
Yeah, it got dark at like 6:30, and that was that. We were in the van after that. It's only, what time is it now? Like 8?
Yeah, probably. Oh, it's 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Early to bed, but we've gone early morning tomorrow. We want to hit the road at the break of dawn.
At the break of dawn. Just in case someone doesn't want us here.
It's fine. This is a good camping spot. We don't camp anywhere where they say no camping.
We don't camp anywhere where there's signage right there that says no overnight camping.
Mm-hmm. We respect those signs. We really struggled with Ontario this trip at this time of year because, yeah, things are closed and they seem, like from my outside perspective, they seem to be really cracking down on car camping and just camping in general, which is too bad.
Well, I bet you things probably got a little loose during COVID. People were probably camping all over the place.
Yeah,
all
maybe.
restless, they can't do anything. They're just like, I mean, there's trash everywhere. There's trash all over the side of the road. There's like any pullout that we've seen. It's probably a bit of an issue right now, so I don't know.
Yeah, it's just kind of too bad, and it's made it very difficult for us who are trying to not, like, you know, yeah, we could stay in a hotel every night, but that's not the point of what we're trying to do. That would be really expensive.
We don't have the capital.
We don't have the capital to do that. And also, like, you know, I love hanging out in the van. It's nice. You don't get to wake up to what we get to wake up to. You don't get to hang out in Walmart parking lots. Anyway, I'm rambling right now. We're gonna get some sleep and we'll see you bright and early in the morning. One light. Two light.
You can put those in the front if you want.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think.
I lose my mittens. Oh wow, the sky is starting to get light.
Yeah, I know it's rough going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You tell me you're nervous. You say you're afraid. See that I think you're brave, and if it all falls, if it all breaks, I'll still be here. Fix these mistakes. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and today.
All right, let's get this heat pumping.
Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you.
We are coming into more and more snow as we drive. It's getting cold. Just took a little pit stop, but we're gonna keep heading west. Forever heading west.
Proceed to the route.